Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. I have messed up with the government whenever I'm being ditched. Churchill warns government. Sadina hints at Alimau to tolerate defeat and support Congress in Lok Sabha elections. It's a birthday gift for Desh Prabhu. Desh Prabhu, the true congressman to contest in North on NCP ticket. Shripad, confident of winning North Goa seat, files his nomination. And Soloni Shirvoika does Goa proud, wins table tennis tournament in UK. Now the news in detail. PWD Minister Churchill Alimau hinted his threat to government whenever any injustice is done to him. On the other side, the statement made by N.K. Sharma, who claims him to be political advisor of Congress, has created chaos and confusion among the candidates. Some of the Congress leaders have now doubts that maybe Churchill only has invited him to Goa. Congress has clarified late in the evening that they don't know any Sharma and he is not their political advisor.
Churchill is still trying his level best to get Congress ticket for his daughter Valenka Alimau. Though Alimau said that he obeys the decision of High Command, he indirectly hinted his threat to the government.
देवान म्हाका गिफ्ट दिलो लोकांगे म्हाका मागणी आहा जेन्ना म्हजेर जेन्ना अनजस्टीस जाता त्या टायमाचेर हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक हात घालपाक वयता कित्याक लोकांक नाका चर्चिलाची अनजस्टीस जाल्ली.
Alimau, however, reiterated that he obeys High Command decision.
I abide by the central government. मुखार स्टेप म्हणटा I abide by the central government decision. Central government decision घेता तेजेर आसतलो. Central government पण काँग्रेस decision घेता तेजेर आसतलो. I respect central government. I respect my party president Sonia Gandhi. I respect my party president, party prime minister Manmohan Singh. I respect the party all central committee.
Chaos and confusion took place in the state when N.K. Sharma, who claims that he is a political advisor of Congress, said that both the candidates are still not finalized.
लेकिन अभी अंतिम निर्णय नहीं हुआ है.
तो अभी तक टिकट कंफर्म नहीं हुई है सर.
अंतिम निर्णय नहीं हुआ है. देखिए अभी क्या होता है.
Soon after this confusion, in charge of Central Election Committee of Congress, Oscar Fernandez, clarified that South Goa ticket is given to Francisco Sardin only. Congress has now clarified that man called N.K. Sharma is fictitious and not a political advisor of Congress.
And Mr. Hari Prasad has also clarified that this so-called Mr. Sharma, who calls himself a political advisor, is not a nominee of AICC, not a representative of AICC, not a nominee, not a representative of the party president, and party president does not speak through any such persons.
It is learned that he will be addressing a rally of Churchill Alimau. If that guy addresses a rally of Churchill Alimau, what will be your further course of action?
Let that event happen. Let that event happen if at all it is to happen. And then the other issues will arise.
Our reporter from Margaon, Arvind Tingse, from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar, and from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Francis Sardin has hinted towards Churchill to accept his defeat to fetch ticket for his daughter and support Congress and him without any grudge. He addressed a press conference in Margaon and asked people to vote for him.
Francis Sardina held a press meet on Monday in Margaon to assure people that he would strive to get people's wishes into reality. He spoke to Prudent Media and expressed his views about his party and candidature. Sardina informed that he would see that there is a parallel bridge to existing Zuari Bridge and 2 bridges at Kankon for people's betterment.
But then we have got 2 priorities. One is we want a parallel bridge at Zuaris, those 2 bridges at Kanakana, which come in that golden quadrilateral, they have to be already now, we wanted them to lay the foundation stone because something or the other, it could not happen, but I'm sure immediately they will do it.
He also assured people that he would introduce bill in the parliament to legalize DDO.
Whatever bill I had promised, it was already is a part of the house, it is in the parliament, no doubt it will lapse. But again, when I'm elected, I will revive the same bill immediately. There is no doubt.
Not forgetting the opposition party, Sardina said that BJP only functions through the divide and rule theory.
Now BJP is nothing. They believe in the dogma. They believe in the maxim, divide and rule. So I have said that if a country has to prosper, a country has to develop, first there has to be peace. And to have peace, there has to be the communal harmony among all the factions in the society. And this can be achieved only if there is a government of Congress.
Sardina is also definite that Churchill Alema would vote in favor of Sardina. He hinted towards Churchill to support him and accept his failure to get ticket for his daughter.
Maybe he wants to tell his followers, oh yeah, Congress hamot kurmun, dan white ki Maybe he wants to tell you, support Congress. Now I tried my level best, there's nothing wrong. See, everybody can aspire. But then there's nothing wrong. After all, he wanted his daughter to be this. There's nothing wrong. But now, as he is a congressman, I'm sure he'll fall in line. Maybe tomorrow he wants to tell them, okay, I tried, I didn't succeed. Now let us all work for Congress.
Our reporter in Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
It's a birthday gift for Desh Prabhu. Staunch congressman and former MLA of Pune, Jiten Desh Prabhu, was declared as Congress NCP candidate for North Goa late on Monday night. However, Desh Prabhu is yet to join NCP. The true congressman has been now adopted the NCP to contest Lok Sabha poll from North.
In a telephonic conversation with Prudent Media, Jitendra Desh Prabhu, who is in Delhi, cleared that he is a true congressman, and though he has to join NCP to contest Lok Sabha, he clearly mentioned that he doesn't consider this as a defection.
अहो पक्षांतर मानिना काँग्रेस पक्षाचो अतिशय लॉयल असो सोल्जर आसा हांव त्या पक्षाचो शिपाई आसा पण असो एक वळण येता राजकारणात की काँग्रेस पक्षाक आपली जी विचारधारा आसा बारीक दवरपा खातीर संघटन करचे पडटा समविचारी पक्षांकडे नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी ही सुद्धा समविचारी पक्ष आसा आणि जर काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या मागा सगळ्यात उत्तुंग अशा पुढाऱ्यांनी तर म्हाका तांकां लोन स्वरूप दिवपाचो निर्णय जर घेतलो आसात जाल्यार हो काँग्रेस पक्षाचो निर्णय हांव धुडकारू शकना. कारण आजपर्यंत पिढ्यान पिढ्या आम्ही काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या उत्कर्षाच्या दृष्टिकोनातल्यानच काँग्रेस पक्षाकडे काम केले आसा.
Desh Prabhu expressed his happiness for being declared as Congress NCP candidate in North Goa.
खुशी आसा की काँग्रेस पक्षानूच म्हाका योग्यता म्हणजे योग्य आशिल्लो उमेदवार अशा आशयान आज जाका आमी संघटनाचो उमेदवार म्हणटा अशा आशयान म्हाका ट्रीट केला.
Desh Prabhu added that this alliance has been worked out to defeat divisive forces in the country.
म्हाका खात्री आसा की या उमेदवारी बहाल करण्याच्या फाटल्यान एक प्रमुख उद्देश असो आसा की जातीयतेन देश विभाजन करणाऱ्या शक्तीचो पाडाव करपाचो हो एकमेव उद्देश आमच्या पक्षाचो आजच्या घटकेक आसा आणि त्या माध्यमांतल्यान सामान्य जनता आणि त्यांची कामां त्यांचे उत्कर्ष करून घेवपाचो यत्न या दोनूय पक्षाचो जाहीरनामा आसा.
Desh Prabhu also said that both Congress and NCP should come together and work towards victory.
हो युतीचो उमेदवार आसा. हांव